Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Amazon Kids Plus on Fire Tablet, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up Amazon Kids Plus on your Fire Tablet, start by turning on your device. On the home screen, swipe down from the top to access the quick settings menu. Tap on the gear icon to open the settings. Scroll down and select Parental Controls. Turn on Parental Controls by sliding the toggle. You will need to create a password if you haven't already. Once you've set the password, go back to the main settings menu. Select Kids, which is usually found near the bottom of the list. Choose Get Started to begin setting up Amazon Kids Plus. You will be prompted to select the child's age range. This will help customize the content available for them. Next, sign in with your Amazon account or create a new one if necessary. After signing in, you can choose to add a child profile. Enter the child's name and select their gender. Now, you can personalize the profile by choosing available content. Tap on Add Content to browse and select the apps. Once you've made your selections, confirm how you'd like to manage available content. You can set daily time limits or specific usage schedules if desired. Review all the settings to make sure they meet your needs. When everything looks good, tap on Save or Finalize. Your child's profile is now set up with Amazon Kids Plus. To switch to the child's profile, go back to the home screen. Select the child's profile you just created from the options available. Now, your child can enjoy a safe and enriching environment on their Fire Tablet. Congratulations, you've successfully set up Amazon Kids Plus. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.